Full-frame cameras in 2026 are absolutely stacked. Whether you shoot photos, video, YouTube, weddings, or cinematic content, there are some insanely capable cameras right now. Let's talk real-world performance and which ones are actually worth buying. Let's start with a fan favorite. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is one of those cameras people buy and then just stop shopping. Real users constantly praise how reliable and easy it is to work with, especially for hybrid shooters. Autofocus is classic Canon, sticky, accurate, and ridiculously good at tracking faces, eyes, and animals. Wedding and event shooters love it because it just doesn't miss, even in terrible lighting. Video shooters appreciate how clean the footage looks straight out of camera, with excellent color science and smooth stabilization. Battery life is solid, ergonomics feel great in the hand, and the menus are still some of the easiest to navigate. The only real complaint from users? Some wish for higher resolution for heavy cropping, but for most people, this camera nails the balance between photo, video, and usability. Check the description for the product link and current pricing. The Nikon Z5 II is easily one of the most underrated full-frame cameras right now. People who upgrade to it often say the same thing. This feels way more premium than I expected. It's aimed at photographers and creators who want full-frame quality without paying flagship prices. Image quality is excellent, especially for landscapes and portraits, and Nikon's color rendering gets a lot of love from users who prefer more natural tones. Video is solid for everyday creators, and the camera feels well-built and comfortable for long shoots. Autofocus isn't class-leading like Sony or Canon, but real users say it's more than good enough for most situations. If you're stepping into full frame for the first time, this is one of the safest and most affordable ways to do it. Link is in the description below. Now this is where Nikon really flexes. The Nikon Z6 III is a monster for hybrid shooters. Users upgrading from older Nikon bodies are blown away by the performance jump, especially for video. You get 6K/60p internal RAW recording, which is huge for filmmakers and content creators who want flexibility in post. Autofocus has been massively improved, and users say subject tracking is finally competitive with the best in the industry. For photography, it's fast, responsive, and handles low light beautifully. Many reviewers describe it as the do-everything camera, great for weddings, YouTube, travel, and commercial work. If you want one camera that can handle almost anything you throw at it, the Z6 III is a serious contender. Product link is waiting in the description. This one is straight up for pixel peepers and professionals. The Sony A7RV is known for its insane 61 megapixel full-frame sensor, and users constantly praise the level of detail it captures. Landscapes, fashion, studio work, this camera is an absolute beast. Autofocus is on another level. Sony's AI subject recognition locks onto humans, animals, birds, and even insects with scary accuracy. Paired with the 24 to 70mm f2.8 GM2, this setup is basically a dream kit for pros. Now users are honest, this isn't the camera you buy for casual shooting. File sizes are massive and you'll need good storage and a strong computer. But if detail, dynamic range, and professional results matter most, this camera is worth every penny. Check the description for the bundle link and deals. The Sony ZV-E1 might be the smallest camera on this list, but it punches way above its weight. Content creators absolutely love this thing. It uses the same sensor as Sony's cinema-focused cameras, delivering stunning low-light performance and cinematic video. Real users highlight how lightweight and portable it is, making it perfect for travel, YouTube, and run-and-gun shooting. Autofocus is excellent, stabilization is strong, and the footage looks amazing straight out of camera. The trade-off? Fewer physical controls and no viewfinder, which photographers may miss. But for vloggers and video-first creators, this camera feels purpose-built. If video is your main focus in 2026, this is one of the most popular full-frame pics out there. Grab the product link from the description below. So yeah, full-frame cameras in 2026 are seriously next level. Whether you want pure detail, hybrid performance, or creator-focused video, there's a perfect option here. Check the links below and pick the one that fits your style best.